In this video, we'll walk you through crafting a wonderfully simple backdrop for your 4th of July celebration. Let's jump right in. To start, we'll drape our gold Chiara backdrop stands with our navy blue spandex backdrop covers. Next, hang a Let's Party LED sign on the main backdrop for a festive touch. Then, we'll assemble our assorted white and beige DIY balloon garland kit for charm. Don't forget to include some red balloons to complete the patriotic color scheme. For an extra sparkle, let's incorporate gold and silver starburst balloons for a dazzling accent. And there you have it! You've now created a super easy backdrop setup for your 4th of July celebration. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.